What is going on, everybody? If you like Bitcoin, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the bell to be notified. The Wyckoff accumulation method has just kicked off the second phase. Is it going to get big? I think so. Overnight, we had another nice rally, a dip all the way down to 34,768 on Bitcoin, which then reversed up for another big spike at 35,300. This market is a little bit volatile. It's a lot of fun. And I get the sense that we are probably on the cusp of another breakout. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right after the jump right here. All right, guys, it looks like we're at the Bitcoin and Wyckoff method. Bought the bottom of Bitcoin. Special shout goes out to Mustache here for pointing this out. Bought the bottom of Bitcoin with the Wyckoff method and shared it with you in November of 2022. So far, it's been very accurate. According to this model, the second impulse wave for Bitcoin has just started. Now, if we zoom in and we look at that second impulse wave, that means that we are due for another big run. And guys, for anybody who's been listening to me for any length of time, I've been telling you that $50,000 Bitcoin is programmed in, and it looks like we are in the second phase, the second rally, the second big move, which is going to take us up here into the 40,000, 50,000 range. We're not going to the top. We're a little early for the top, but it doesn't mean that you can't make a whole bunch of money off of a nice play here. Now, it should also be pointed out that over 1 million Bitcoin have been withdrawn from exchanges since the trend reversed in March of 2020. Exchanges are depleting fast and quickly. That does mean that there's going to be run on the price action pretty soon because it's going to take a nice big pump to get some of these people to put their coins back on exchanges. But you heard it here first. And then finally, Bitcoin is back above the BMS band. Flip of the BMS band into support has always triggered a nice uptrend in Bitcoin. So keep looking for this to continue because it's still going. This is from February and it's still going right now. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, the bell to be notified of future content. Now, when you look at this right here, what you are seeing is Bollinger Bands get tight and then you have a big explosion. And then you see a Bollinger Band tighten right here and you had a big explosion. Now, this one was to the downside, took us down to the 200 SMA. This is a 3-minute candle, by the way. This is not serious. This is a smaller time frame, but you can see it everywhere that you go, bouncing off of the 200, and then a big rally is underway. Now, this move took us down to 34,986. We are testing higher lows every single time. As you start to zoom out and as we start to bring ourselves out here, we are still in this channel as it grows. Now, what does that mean to you exactly? Well, it means that there probably is a big breakout on the horizon, that we're about to see a big breakout coming. Now, I am a little concerned that there could be a retracement and a drawdown from this, but the long term, the longer you go, the further out you move. We're in a 30-minute chart right now. Looks like it's about to go a little bit bearish for a short period of time, maybe bringing it down here to the 34.8 level. If it does, I become a buyer again. On the 1 hour, you can see this candle did wick way down, just like this other one, but it's continuing to go through this channel and not playing perfectly out to the top. Really right now, just kind of going into the heart line of this parallel channel as it continues to move up. So, and the overall sentiment here, very, very bullish. The 4-hour chart, still very, very bullish. Everything that you see keeps telling you the price keeps going up. The price keeps going up. You look at the 1-hour chart, you're seeing the same thing. The price just keeps going. And Wyckoff method, very, very simple. This was the first downward trend. This is the second wave coming up right now. It's very simple, guys. It's happening, and we are here to witness it. Now, on the weekly chart, for those of you that don't know me, this is something that I've been doing for a long period of time. Beginning of this year, I was talking to you about these moves right here, telling you that by the end of the halving, we were going to be at about 53,000. And guess what? We did have a breakdown. I'll admit, we had this breakdown and we got below my target level. But guess what? We are back in my target level. My target level had us at $35,000 right now. So where are we right now? $35,000. Where do I have us coming up in, let's see, December? About 38,000. This is going to continue to grow. Now, there will be ups and downs. You know, we're going to pop up here, maybe. We're going to pop down here, maybe. We're going to do a little of this bing-bonging around. But at the end of the day, guess what? We're going to move all the way up. We'll be at $50,000. And I got an ETH bet on it right now. So if I bet, you know what's going to happen. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, the bell to be notified of future content. If you like Bitcoin, make sure that you're following me because We've been tracking it. We've been charting it. We've been making a lot of money off of it. And if you want to too, you know what to do. It's not financial advice. My name's Bleav. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll talk to you again.